Hello guys. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make extra money by answering surveys. In this video, I will show step by step how to get money. Okay, let's dive in. This is the survey website called Valued Opinions. You can earn money by answering simple questions about your lifestyles or habit. And something like that. Go to thevaluedopinion.com. Now click the Join Now button and then you'll see Sign Up with the Facebook button. You can sign up with Facebook or you can fill in details like your name, gender, date of birth, address, email, and password. You need to click that you agree with their terms and conditions and their privacy policy. If you finish that, you'll see this dashboard. If there are available surveys for you, it'll show here. You also need to complete your survey profile to get more surveys. You can see your rewards here. Valued Opinion gives you redeemable gift cards and also it depends on your country. Here you can see 7-Eleven, Giant, GrabRide, Grab Food, Isetan, Razor Gold, Tangs, Zalora gift vouchers. So you can choose whatever you want. You can redeem the gift cards when you earn at least $20. If there are surveys that fit with your profile, they'll send you an email. You can start earning money by simply clicking on the Start button. Very easy, right? So why are you hesitating to start? If you want to see more videos about how to make money online, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bar. And if you like this video, please hit the like button.